Okay, so next we will be dealing with nucleus of the cell. So the nucleus is nothing but it controls the activity of the cells. See, we have seen the basic structure of cell. So this is my nucleus. Okay, and this is plasma membrane. Here there is this fluid called cytoplasm. So this is my nucleus now, and this is cell membrane or plasma membrane, and again to that there is a cell wall. Okay, now see, it main function of nucleus is it helps in the movement of substance from the nucleus to the cell. So instead, see, from the nucleus to the cytoplasm outside the nucleus. So it goes to the cytoplasm. So it helps in the movement of the substance now, to which helps in the survival of the cell. So it is very important for the survival of cell. So whatever the important substance are present in the nucleus, it is being given to the cell or in short into the cytoplasm. Now it also helps in the reproduction. So what is reproduction? It helps in dividing the cells from the pre-existing cells. Okay, and which is nothing but a cell division. Cell division is nothing but from one cell. Okay, see, if there is a one cell, it will help in dividing into two cells. Okay, so from 2 to 4. So this is called as cell division. So it helps in major role in cell division. So now before studying the detailed structure of nucleus, we will study what is eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. Okay, so now the difference between eukaryotic eukaryotic and prokaryotic cell. So now, what is eukaryotic cell? Eukaryotic cell has a defined nuclear membrane. So nuclear, see, as we have seen the cell membrane. So there is a covering to the cell. We call it as cell membrane. Similarly, there is a covering to the nucleus, which is called as nuclear membrane. So the eukaryotic cell has well defined. So the nuclear membrane is present here. Nuclear membrane is present. That means it has a well defined nuclear membrane, whereas there is no defined nuclear membrane here. Okay, nuclear membrane. Now second, there is it has see, well defined nuclear membrane is it has a specific region where nucleus is present. So in eukaryotic there is a specific region where nucleus is present, whereas it does not have any nuclear region. Now second is it has distinct nucleus when there is no distinct nucleus. So distinct nucleus means there is a specific nucleus present to eukaryotic cells, whereas prokaryotic does not have a specific nucleus, but they have the content of the nucleus scattered here and there. So these have a scattered nucleus. Okay, see, for example, if this is there, nucleus are scattered. Okay, the parts see, random. So it has been scattered in all the directions, but in eukaryotic there is a particular or distinct nucleus present. Third one is the cell organelles are present. Okay, so cell organelles are present in eukaryotic cell, whereas in prokaryotic cell they are absent. Many cell organelles are absent. Here the cell organelles are absent. Now fourth, inside nucleus we have DNA and protein. Okay, so we will just study about DNA in further videos. So here DNA and protein are present, whereas in prokaryotic cell, say undefined region with nucleic acid is termed as nucleoid. Okay, see here wherever as I said the nucleus is been scattered, so that undefined region we don't know where it is. So this undefined region, it has not been defined. So this undefined region with nucleic acid into it is called as nucleoid. So that region is called as nucleoid. So the undefined region where with undefined region with nucleic acid is known as nucleoid. Okay, so see the scattered region where it has many where it has nucleic acid present in it, that region is called as nucleoid. Now the fifth is, see, for example, for eukaryotic cell is plant and animal cell. So the plant and animal cells, plant and animal cells. Whereas for prokaryotic cell, we can define as bacteria. We can give an example of bacteria. So in short, you have to remember that eukaryotic cells are nothing but, see, these are advanced cells. Okay, advanced cells which has nucleus, cell organelles, DNA, protein, okay, and membrane. So this is advanced cell because those have many properties. Whereas prokaryotic cells are called as they are not advanced cell or they are not matured cells. So these are called as primitive cells. Primitive cells, okay, or they can add the early one. So these are advanced cells and these are primitive cells, okay. So these are the basic difference of eukaryotic cell and prokaryotic cell, which is very important. So now we will just study about the structure of nucleus.